Yeah, for the last 2 years, I've been telling you about this day when we would see the continued fuckery all day, every day. And we're continuing to see the continued fuckery all day, every day. It escalates every day, just a little more than yesterday. Just like I said it would 1,000 fucking times. 7 hours of quakes on my 24-hour map. Lots of them going on in volcanic regions because she's been inducing the heat. Now, this guy here wants to continue calling me a narcissist. Let's go over this. So, Derek Bros, billionaire, come over and bought this guy. And he started fucking with me about a month ago. And all of these videos, except for two, are about me. Now he starts over here talking about I am a narcissist and talking about how I don't have any proof of my words or anything like that. And, well, I do. See, because I've got the working models and everything I've claimed. And he said, well, I'll take it back. And then he goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on for a month. Every fucking thing I have to say, he has what to say about. The exact opposite. Even contradicting his own videos over here with shit he has shown about 1748 hertz on magnets. You can see in his own experiments, distortion visible water is moved by magnetism confirmed. 1748 hertz on the surface of the water, every magnet he puts in it. Well, here's a little more proof. Magnets at 1748 hertz underwater is scientifically. Well, he has a couple of them on here, but he obviously removed the one I accentuated. Completely removed it from his fucking playlist, so it's not here. He can't show the evidence. I'm the only one on fucking YouTube that has this of fucking Lee bragging about 1748 hertz on his fucking magnets. He changes his goddamn content to fit the narrative. This channel has no content that matches magnets at 1748 hertz underwater. And that is right there on his channel. Just last week, right here, or 1, 2, 3. He doesn't mention the 1748 hertz, but these are where we found them. Me and John looking around, watching him do his thing. I was like, that looks familiar. It's funny, all the magnets produce the same frequency signature, the same frequency signature, the same frequency signature on all the magnets he's floated in there. Just like 1748 hertz on the metal plate. I knew there was something important right in the middle of all this important information. So I started looking. 1748 hertz came up in human biology. When you get goosebumps, oscillations 1748 hertz. You also create stem cells. Another thing, a lot of people want to talk shit on my translation. I had a professional, this guy, go over my translations, which is what he does for a fucking living. And guess what? He said, my translation is right the fuck on. 100%. He had his mind blown. He was the first person's mind I blew by translating this. It had never been translated before properly. He checked it at the atomic level of translations, however he did it, and came back 100% accurate. Thank you very much. I had that checked before I put my first fucking video out. Boom, right here, oldest first. Go to the first video and work your way back if you want to know the secrets these moguls have been trying to keep from you. Obviously, in true mogul fashion, they have put this in front of your fucking face and they don't want you to know about it. Because lo and behold, this guy here in the Armani suit right there, see this? I went catfishing and caught a big fucking giant. This guy finally proved that guy, Derek Bros. That's Bill Gates' lesser known, more influential business partner. He's the CEO of Microsoft International, vice president, Paramount Pictures, fucking Viacom, every other goddamn communication site you can imagine. And he's still openly consulting for them out of fucking Seattle, Washington, at a consulting firm he is partners with. People tell me he's no longer in the game. Bullshit. Bullshit, he's no longer in the fucking game. He's followed me around for fucking what, 6, 7 fucking years with his people, Dazza the cameraman, and he fucking ends up over on Lee, and Lee starts doing this shit for the last month. Yeah, this man right here has been all over the fucking internet stifling information and acting like some kind of rogue preacher in the desert. This is the face of one of your tormentors. And he's continuing to torment and torture and lie to you. And the funny thing is, he shows up on all the pages who I have conversed with, try to compile work with, to further fucking investigation. And this is the best they can do? Are you serious? That's the best you can do. A fart noise? A fart noise. It is a known fact. Earth has a magnetic field like human beings, and human beings can feel the Earth's magnetic field. It is also a known fact that if you have like magnet fields, you can combine them and their strength. This man, against all known properties of magnetism, is telling you fart noise. Is this truly the best these billionaires can come up with? Fart noises? And fucking Lee putting his fucking dick on a fucking stick and waving it around the internet? Lee, you're embarrassing yourself, dude. You're fucking horribly embarrassing humanity by being part of it.